It's essential, yeah. Like, and I mean, SNAs are vital. Like, it just wouldn't happen without them. Like, you know, children with special needs would not be able to attend school or mainstream school without them. Like, it's vital. They have routines to follow and structures to put in place, and without structures being put in place, like Corey wouldn't fit in. She just wouldn't.
She's very important because she makes me feel safe, and if it weren't for her, I'd feel like I was in danger, just suffering on the inside. Because, see, I can depend on my SNA because, see, I do have this thing called a sensory overload, and sometimes it's hard to deal with it. Well, she's the reason why I have less trouble dealing with my anxiety. In fact, she helps me a lot with all my work and stuff. I can always rely on Rebecca.
I'm working with her now a good few weeks, and I can sense when she's a bit overwhelmed and needs a movement break or chill out in the sensory room.
You know, she'd be lost. She'd be wandering around lost in the school if she hadn't got her SNA to direct her. Like, so, yeah.
It benefits Corey because her mum comes in and lets the teachers know exactly what she needs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we work around that.
Yeah.